What is going on, everybody? So we're out here, Ram Off-Road Park. We got the team out here. We got Pepper. Hey Pepper, say hi. Say hi. You guys remember Pepper? Okay, we got Mark Tacoma. We got Ruby right there. We got Devin right there, Locomotive. We got Abby at Rocky Mountain Jail, or JLUR. And we got her dad, Chris, right behind us. So it should be a very fun day on the trail. Okay, so the turnout actually came out to be way better than we thought. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 rigs out today. This is going to be a great video for y'all. Oh man, I'm excited. Look at this. We got everyone out here. We got Jeeps, XJs, Cherokees, Tacomas. What do we got over there? I don't even know. We got everything today. So make sure, sit back, enjoy this video, and we'll take you guys on the trail.
Has not let me down.
Alright, you can see we got a nice group ahead of us. Look at this. Everyone's just coming up the mountain over there. Got the map right here. Nice solid group of people. Nice. You should be good, Mark.
Am I going to be good, but is the other Tacoma going to be good?
I think so. Nice, Ben, nice. This is awesome. Nice, good work. Nice. Very nice. Easy gas going up. Perfect. Good work. Good. Damn, look at this thing. This is beautiful. I think it's a tank.
Delivery for Adam.
A pizza?
I just sent it.
A pizza delivery?
Very.
Yeah. Nice. You're good, you're good. Got you. Good work. Oh yeah, there he is. Nice.
Yeah, come on. It's on you, man. For what?
Yes, that
Tacoma,
boy.
baby.
Nice. Oh. Nice. Yep, easy. Nice, attaboy. Yep, go straight up. Attaboy.
That's sweet, dude.
Nice.
Good job.
Good work. Look at this thing. This XJ is mad. This thing's a demon. He's got clearance for days. Easy money.
There you go.
Ben's gonna send it up here. Yeah, go passenger. Yeah, passenger. A little more. No lockers.
There you go.
Yeah.
Go.
Nice.
Go, got it.
Attaboy. And right here. God, this thing's an animal. Yes.
Good, buddy.
Nice. Dang. Abby's going with the 40s. Come on, you got it. Send it. Nice.
No problem.
All right, make it harder next time.
I'm going through the ball, man.
All right, this thing's an animal. Full coilovers, everything. Wow. This thing's also a tank. Wow, easy. Good, Ben.
Perfect. Right there.
Oh, oh, stop, stop.
Send it. Slow. You got it. You're perfect.
A little bit.
Little bit of gas. Little gas. Little gas. Little gas. Right there. Just stay speed your winch.
Yeah.
First job.
You're good. Yeah, you're gonna do it.
You're clear.
Yeah, you're fine, go on.
Now you just load your winch.
Yeah.
Winch in.
Winch in.
Winch in. Just drive the same speed as your winch.
Beautiful. Come driver a hair more if you can.
That's sketch. Two doors.
Come faster.
Nice. Just send it. Come on. Woo! Nice. Nice. Send it. Here comes Devin. Yep. Give it a little gas. Now gas. Nice. Easy. Nice. Easy. If you guys liked what you saw today, please consider subscribing, liking, commenting, and I'll catch you guys in the next video, next recovery, or next build day. Peace.